Welcome to Shenandoah, Texas. Alam niyo ba guys, nakita ko lang ito sa website nila. At na-attract talaga ako sa design nila. This is a newly shopping mall here. And the beautiful Shenandoah. It's a small town here in Texas. It's really beautiful. And finally, nandito na po ako. Thank you, Lord. Answered prayer again. So beautiful. So a lot of outlet store designers and restaurant. It's a really a new place to shop. Pero na lang yung kulang, guys.